So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Glenn in case you're new here, and today we're reviewing a Cook Islands set. So this comes in a paper cover, as you can see, and the coins come in this nice beautiful encased cover that Australia used these ones for proof sets. I think up until, I can't remember, I don't get many proof sets, probably to 1984 when they issued the $1. Then I think they changed them, and it is a nice set, as you can see. So the light is not great here, but you can see it's quite shiny. So the Cook Islands coins are all pretty low mint, and this is a 1974. So the obverse, which has Maletoa Tenomafili E the second, and Samoa E Sisifu just means Western Samoa. So that's the same effigy, and that is by. So this portrait is designed by Thomas Humphrey Paget. So he designed coins from quite a few countries, and as you can see, named Western Samoa, specimen coins. So they're not supposed to be spent, but these are the same issues that were issued for circulation. Probably the 50 centi and the 1 tala was probably not really issued for circulation, but the rest of the coins were. So what animals are depicted on this side? And these coins were designed by George James Berry. So this 1 centi has a coconut and has a mintage of 3.38 million. The 2 centi has cocoa, so the cocoa pods there, the beans in it that you take out, and that had a mintage of 1.64 million. The 5 centi had pineapple, 1.736 million. So as you can see, they're quite a high mintage for Samoa at the moment. The 10 centi had taro plants, which is pretty popular in the Pacific. It doesn't grow in Melbourne because it's not a tropical place. And there's a mintage of 1.58 million. And the 20 centi has breadfruit. Oh no, it's not 20. 20's over here. Breadfruit. It looks like oranges. So I've never actually eaten those, so it's a tropical plant, so we don't have it here. Unlike the taro and the pineapple, which we do have in our supermarkets, and the cocoa and the coconut, we don't have any breadfruit in the supermarket, so it's a bit hard to get. But this had a mintage of 1.38 million. And I quite like that design. It's one of my favourites. And the rest of the coins, I do like the designs as well. Okay, so they're the coins that are issued for circulation and have a pretty high mintage. The 50 centi, as you can see here, is bananas, had a mintage of 50,000. So it's quite a low mintage, even for Samoa standards. So probably you can only get it in these sets. And the 1 tala only had a mintage of 24,000. So if you're going to get one of these, you get it for the low mintage coins. And there were no other coins issued in the 1970s, so that was it until 1987 when they issued some coins. 87, 88, and then they sporadically issued coins. So Samoa is a country that doesn't issue coins every year. They issue bulk lots, like the current 2011 coins are a frozen date, so the Royal Australian Mint's actually minted them over a few years. And here's the first issue of the 50 centi. So this was probably issued for circulation, has a mintage of 80,000. I think the current population of Samoa is 200,000, so back then it would have been quite lower. And as you can see, has the same portrait on the coin. So the 10, 20 and 50 centi and the 1 tala of the 1967 issue just had the coat of arms. As you can see, this issue does not. So that's quite a nice set. So what would you be actually paying for one of these? I've seen these go for $10. So about, I'd say more realistic is probably $15 to $20. $10 is a bidding, but I reckon that's a low value. And it come with this. So what is this? Well, it's obviously a newspaper article. Not too sure what year it is, but it has new Western Samoa coin offer. So it has the actual coin set, limited supply, and we have the values. So this is from the Bank of Adelaide. I don't even know if that bank is in trading at the moment. And does it have any? No, it doesn't have any phone numbers. Okay, so can we see any other phone numbers? No. So this is a Commonwealth Bank. And pity they should have kept the actual date on it. Anyway, okay, this 7 uncirculating set in the plastic was $4. So this cost $4 back in, I'd say 1974 or 75 when this was. Single uncirculated dollar coin, $2. Set of sterling silver Bruce coins, $40. And single dollar coin, $15. So $40, you're probably talking about like $300-400 now. So this at the time had a value of roughly probably about $20 to $30 if you're buying it now. So, you know, it doesn't have a mintage of how much these coins will cost or how many were produced. I can't find any mintage figures about this, how many would actually produce, but taken by that coin, it might be 24,000, or it could be like Fiji. So Fiji issued some of these. This is a set from 84 though, but they had, you know, this had 5,000. So this could also be as low as 5,000 or even 1,000 or 2,000. But it's a nice coin set to get. If you're after these, you could probably crack them open and grade them. I think this should get MS, probably low 60s. I've never actually graded, so maybe it would be a good thing to do. And basically what you could do is then you could just sell them off as individual graded coins. You'd be talking probably like $20 a pop though. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. Can I get 140 out of this? Probably not. So there goes that idea of grading. Anyway, here's where I'll leave the video. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out some Cook Islands coins and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you very much and goodbye.